What's up, YouTube? Risentek. This is an awesome little potting soil. He told me that in the email that they're going to be getting bigger bags of this. So this would be definitely something that I'll be looking into in the future for sure. Really great stuff, man. Really great stuff. It's got cocoa in it. He told me that too. Does have cocoa. And you can see the peppers here are flourishing. They're doing great. I love how they just auto-top themselves. It's the coolest shit ever how they do that. I love peppers. Got that farmer light up here. Ooh, that sucker's bright today, ain't it? That's FL1000. They sponsored me this up to grow with, and boy, we were growing with it. We're growing tons of peppers with it. We got sweet pepper and a sweet pepper, and sweet Cali Wonder, Hungarian yellow wax, hot lemon, long thin cayenne, sweet lemon, sweet banana. Yeah, this is a sweet lemon dream. Dragon cayenne F1s in both of these. See, they're doing really good. I keep them on the rotate. So if I got a shorter one, I stick it to the front to make them, so everybody's doing good, The planting them in bunches like this is good because you can see how they deal with the wind from the fan over here, and they germinate. I'm gonna have some crazy shit. And then this is the Anaheim chili over here. So, and then we've got the Thai chilies and the other one out there. I can't remember what the other one. I think it's a sweet pepper of some form. Out in the greenhouse. But yeah, these things are doing great under this farmer light. This thing does a really good job. It's like not hot at all. I mean, just, man, this thing's getting it. We're going to go ahead, we're going to turn it up. We're at 75%, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to give them max juice out here. We're going to keep them from stretching anymore. It's a little overcast outside today, so we're letting the light run a little longer than usual. So, but we got all the fans set up in here now, so they get plenty of air movement, and yeah, there wasn't any need to even pull the curtain deal up today because it's so overcast outside. So, but yeah, we're doing great, My daughter was out here, she watered them the other day. Of course, she went to her mom's, so everything's good, and yeah, I'm happy with it. This stuff is a really good potting soil. I mean, it's just really nice stuff, and yeah, so doing great. Snakeskins is holding in there, keeping the critters away. And no chrysanthemum seeds have popped up yet, so I'll go out there and get a couple more out of that deal, and we'll see if they work or not. So, all right, YouTube, we'll holler at you later. Peace out.